So hello, my name is Samuel Maina, and I will be your presenter today. And with you today, we have a few other members. I think they may take a minute to introduce themselves. Members in the group are, can members in the group introduce themselves?
My name is Samuel Moora. I am a member of EEP SEPT 2023.
Thank you, Samuel Moura. Next person, please.
Hannah Njeri, a member for the group.
Thank you, Miss Hannah Njeri. Next person.
My name is Clinton Ondieki, and I'm a member of electrical department.
Thank you, Mr. Clinton. May we go to our next guest?
I'm Tabitha Wangoi, a member of electrical.
Thank you, Mr.
And my
Tabitha.
name is Stephen Mwasia, a member of electrical.
Thank you, Mr. Steven. So those are our dear panelists for today. And our topic today is on understanding basic SI units. They are experts in the field. So starting off us today, we shall define what are SI units, and our experts will help me expound more the points. So the first thing that we need to know is what are SI units. And according to the Oxford definition, the International System of Units is a system of measurement based on 7 basic physical quantities. The key thing is that they are physical quantities, which are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. So the basic SI units, the 7 basic SI units in general, or in simple, is the meter, the kilogram, the second, the ampere, Kelvin, mole, and candela. So picking us off on the first slide, Mr. Clinton, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Thank you. Can you elaborate on the meter?
Okay. In meter, this is a SI unit for length. This is used to measure distance, height, length, and etc. And the tool which is used to measure those length, height, distance, we use a measuring tape. Yeah, that is and you can see there is an image of a tape for those who have never seen it. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Clinton. I think as you have described, the meter is the SI unit for length. You have described it perfectly. So let us move on to the second unit, and we have the kilogram. Miss Tabitha, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Please, can you explain for us the kilogram?
Kilogram are the SI units for mass. They can be used to measure weights of objects. There we have an image of a weighing kilogram there. I guess everyone can view it.
Yes, you can see it. Thank you for that. As Ms. Tabitha has said, the SI unit for mass is the kilogram, and the image below is a kilogram weight. So we move on. The third SI unit is time. Mr. Samuel Thandi, can you expound for us on this?
Okay, thank you for this opportunity. It is very difficult to define time in itself, even from the dictionary. But in our field, we have tried to put time in terms of context. And in this case, we are trying to use the second as the SI unit for time. So we know that time is a fundamental quantity because when it comes to periods of radiation, as discovered by scientists, it comes to about 9 billion periods of atom vibration. So it is something that is used to in field of physics and everyday life, because when it comes to coordinating, synchronizing, and maybe finding the time when we talk about duration of periods. So we use the second because it's more universal and it has been integrated in other forms of calculations to be able to get other measures such as energy and what have you. It's an elaborate topic and we can only define it in terms of relativity. So we use a stopwatch to measure it. And that's basically it. The best way to learn about time and second as the basic unit of time is to actually use it. And that's as far as I can explain.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Samuel Thande. That was a very elaborative explanation. I believe that our listeners have heard it well. So we move on. The next SI unit is that for measuring electric current. I shall come back to Mr. Clinton. Mr. Clinton, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Please give us more knowledge on this.
Okay, about we can talk about this is the unit of current, electrical current in an international system of units. In simple terms, it is a way of measuring the flow of electricity. Like when we break it down, we can say 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb of an electrical charge moving past a point per second. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Clinton. You have even brought out a concept on the rev units where you have said that current and charge are related. Thank you for that. Miss Hannah, are you there?
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Hannah. Would you elaborate for us on the SI unit for temperature? Tell us more about it.
Thank you for the opportunity. Kelvin is the SI unit for temperature, and temperature is simply the measure of thermal energy. Temperature is measured using a thermometer, and we have an image there showing the temperature in Kelvin scale. Yeah, that's my contribution.
Thank you, Miss Hannah. Back to the other lady in the room, Miss Tabitha. Are you there?
Yes.
Can you explain for us on the concept of amount of substance and its SI unit known as the mole?
The mole is an SI amount of substance. It is defined as the amount of substance that exactly contains 6.02 times 10 to power 23 elementally entitled such as atoms, molecules, ions, or other particles. This is also known as Avogadro's number and is a fundamental concept of nature. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Tabitha. That was a very excellent explanation. And you have even brought the concept of the Avogadro's number. Thank you for that. We go to our last base SI unit, and this is the candela. Mr. Thande, can you elaborate for us on this?
This is the last one, but you have not called me.
Mr. Thande, are you there?
No, this is Steven.
Oh, Steven. Oh, I'm sorry, Steven. I'm sorry for that. That was my mistake. Steven, can you explain for us the candela?
The candela CD is SI unit for measuring luminous intensity, which is the amount of light emitted by a source in a particular direction. It is defined as the luminous intensity in a given direction of a source that emits monochromatic radiation of frequency 540 times 10 to power 12 hertz, and that has a radiant intensity in that direction of 1/683 watt per radian. The candela is crucial in various fields such as lighting, design, photography, and visual display technology. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for that, Stephen. I think for a close, we have been gifted by our well-enabled specialists. They have explained to us the best they could and the best that was. I am thankful for each and every panelist that was present with us today. I think finally, as we close this meeting, I may wish to describe the importance of SI units. SI units, I think, are very important in our everyday today lives in the sense that we are able to measure, we are able to have a unit that communicates well with others. Having SI units means that this is a scientific way to put facts out there. So thank you to all our experts. Till the next time, thank you for showing up. Yes. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you.